Avtara Vadishta. So why Sri Ramakrishna incarnate is personification of God. God comes down. That's called Avatara. So why Sri Ramakrishna incarnate? Took a human birth and came and lived with us. So the answer is, so Abhedananda Maharaj says, Vitaritum Avatirnam. Repeat.
Vitaritum Avatirnam.
Jnana Bhakti Prashantihi.
Jnana Bhakti Prashantihi.
See, he has come down. Vitaritum ante to distribute. పంచిపెట్టడానికి ఆయన అవతరించారు. దేన్ని పంచిపెట్టడానికి? జ్ఞాన భక్తి ప్రశాంతి. జ్ఞానం అంటే ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ జ్ఞాన? జ్ఞాన ఈస్ టు రియలైజ్ యువర్ ట్రూ నేచర్, వాట్ యు ఆర్. దట్ ఈస్ థాట్, వాట్ యు ఆర్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ జ్ఞాన. భక్తి. So through aspect of bhakti, we realize our true nature. So bhakti will bestow you jnana. With prashanti, how to live in this world peacefully. Prashanti, you may live in this world, no tension, no worry, no anxiety. Prashanti, there is a way to live like that. He has come to show the way to distribute jnana, bhakti, shanti. Three aspects are there in this. So not only to tell you, who are you? Why you come to this earth? What is the goal of your life? So first aspect is this. So jnana. So bhakti. So bhakti, by being devoted to God, all that he explains to you, what is bhakti, what is jnana. So then, shanti. You know, world is full of misery. Dukkhalayam, asashvatam. With this dukkhalaya, how to convert it into sukhalaya? Dukkhalaya, we know. Sat can become sukhalaya also. It's in our hands. How we make the dukkhalaya into sukhalaya? It is possible. So we started the technique how to make this dukkhalaya into sukhalaya. So he has come for all these three purposes. We are going to detail now. One aspect we will study. Come on.
Thank you, Maharaj.